ひほほんこんにちは。今日は Day 3 Okay, we have 5 kanji today. Let's study. Okay, hum. Let's go. First one. So, moon. Can you write moon? Ha. Oh, what is this? So, this is tsuki, which is moon. But this one also saying gets. Kanji has 2 readings. What? 2 readings. Tsuki, and people also say gets. What? I know. Kanji has 2 readings. Kunyomi and onyomi. What is onyomi? Kunyomi? I know. Let me explain easily. So kunyomi is Japanese reading and onyomi is Chinese-based reading. So, but don't worry. I don't want to make you confused. This time, just remember kunyomi first. I recommend kunyomi to remember at first, then later you will learn onyomi. Easy. Okay? Kunyomi has main meaning. Tsuki is moon. Okay? Then fire is ha. Hi. Fire is hi. Water is, maybe some people know, mizu. Tree is ki. Money. Money. Wa. Oh, little bit difficult. So many lines. This is kane. Kane is money. Okay? And gets ka, sui, mok, kim. This one, when we use Monday or months, we say gets yobi. Tuesday is ka yobi. Wednesday, suiyobi. Thursday, mokuyobi. Friday, kinyobi. Maybe you learned these ways from 30 days vocabulary class if you already watched. Okay, and let me show you how to write this kanji. Ham. Let's go. So gets is half. 2, 3, 4. My handwriting is not bad. Always positive. Ha. Pa. This is hi. Mizu 書くよ、水。1, 2, 3. 水。木は 1, 2, 3, 4. 木。 Then next is 鐘。鐘は one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. あ、ここダメね。ノーラインね、ここね。鐘。OK。うん。Good job, everybody. Day 3 is done. Okay. Take notes, everything. Okay. See you tomorrow. I don't know. We have class tomorrow or not. Anyway, またね。ありがとう。